Welcome back to our sweet home. This time we bring you Purple-rumped Sunbirds. Like every year, this year also, sunbirds have found our home as the best place to nest. As the summer ends and the monsoon begins, our surroundings look like a miniature Arco Valley. There comes the little sunbird playing with its image in the mirror. It does it every time it comes our home. It is breeding time and the female bird is looking for the perfect spot to make its nest. And the male bird is accompanying his partner in the process. And there comes the nest. And the two little eggs. Purple-rumped sunbirds were tiny at less than 10 centimeters long. They have medium-length, thin-down, curved bills and brush-tipped tubular tongues, both adaptations for nectar feeding. The males have a dark maroon upper side with a blue-green crown that glistens at some angles, bright green shoulder patch and violet-purple rump patch which is generally hidden under the wings. The underparts are whitish with dark throat, maroon breast band and purple-violet patch in the throat which is visible in some angles. The female has a white throat followed by yellowish breast. The upper side is olive or brownish. They breed through the year and may have two broods, but mainly during the monsoons. Nest is made up of fine plant fibers, cobwebs and is studded on the exterior with lichens, bark pieces, flying seeds and other materials. The eggs are incubated by both the male and the female. The incubation period varies from 14 to 16 days. Hey, one of the eggs is already a chick. Look, the chicks are already getting fed by the parent. Both parents coordinate very well while feeding the chicks. The chicks continue to be fed by the male for a few days. In order to keep their nests clean, the baby birds give off their waste in what is called a fecal sac. After being fed, the baby bird will turn its back to the parent and hand it the sac. These little pouches of poop are mostly white and are encased in a tough mucous membrane. It is a housekeeping thing. Finally, it is time for the babies to fly. Oh baby, we are proud of you, dear. The baby sunbird is now going into the wild. Let us wish her all the best. Watching these birds fly every year is fun and a feast to our eyes. Blessed are the sunbirds or our home? I would say both. Bye bye, baby. Catch you some other time. So far, you have seen action sequences. And now it is time to see the stunning clicks. Please follow Soumya on Instagram, soumya.clicks. For more videos like this, please subscribe to Bollapragada Arts.